todos, hello everyone. I hope you all are doing well. My name is 𝗃𝗶𝗲𝗲 and I am your Spanish tutor and you are watching Language Fluent. In today's class, we are going to learn about verbs in Spanish. Verbs in Spanish. But first, I would like to ask one question. What is verb? Yes, you are correct. A verb can be defined as the action word of the sentence. The action word of the sentence. For example, walk, talk, run, eat, etc. The meaning of verb is similar in Spanish and English. In Spanish, there are three types of verb. In Spanish, there are three types of verb. First, AR verbs. Second, IR verbs. And the third one is ER verbs. Verbs which ends with AR are AR verbs. Verbs which end with IR are IR verbs. And verbs which end with ER are ER verbs. Now we are going to learn some verbs and their meaning in Spanish. And yes, one more thing. These verbs are used very frequently by the Spanish speakers and they are very common. Let's start. So, here is a list of 10 most commonly used AR verbs. AR verbs. Okay? One more thing. How do we say verb in Spanish? Verbo. And verbs is verbos. Verbos. Let's start. Ayudar. Ayudar. Ayudar means to help someone. Hablar. Hablar is to talk someone. Ganar. Ganar means to win any match or something. Comprar. Comprar means to buy clothes or any other grocery item. Cambiar. Cambiar is to exchange books, to exchange any item. Estudiar. Estudiar. Estudiar means to study Spanish, English or any other language. Esperar. Esperar means to wait for someone. Descansar. Descansar is to rest. Buscar. Buscar. Buscar means to look for. Contestar. Contestar means to tell the answer of any question. Okay? Now let's try to repeat after me. Ayudar. Ayudar. Hablar. Hablar. Ganar. Ganar. Comprar. Comprar. Cambiar. Cambiar. Estudiar. Estudiar. Esperar. Esperar. Descansar. Descansar. Buscar. Buscar. Contestar. Contestar. Now we are going to learn 10 most commonly used ER ending verbs. ER ending verbs. Leer. Leer. Leer means to read. Creer. Creer. Creer means to believe. Comer. Comer means to eat. Beber. Beber means to drink water, juice or anything. Prometer. Prometer means to promise. Romper. Romper means to break. One more thing, in Spanish, they use this verb very frequently. They also use this verb for relationship as well. Like for example, if I broke up with someone, I will use the same verb. And if I break some glass or something, I will also use the similar verb. Vender. Vender means to sell. Comprender. Comprender means to understand. Aprender. Aprender means to learn Spanish or to learn any other language. Temer. Temer means to fear, to have a fear or something. Let's try to repeat after me again. Leer. Leer. Creer. Creer. Comer. Comer. Beber. Beber. Prometer. Prometer. Romper. Romper. Vender. Vender. Comprender. Comprender. Aprender. Aprender. And the last one is temer. Temer. Now let's start with 10 most commonly used IR verbs, IR ending verbs. Vivir. Vivir. Vivir means to live in city or in towns. Escribir. Escribir means to write a book, to write a letter. Decidir. Decidir is to decide something. Recibir. Recibir means to receive a gift or any other present. Permitir. Permitir means to allow for something. Consumir. Consumir means to consume. This word is commonly used in bars and restaurants. Discutir. Discutir means to discuss and to debate as well. Dividir. Dividir means to divide something. Abrir. Abrir means to open the window. Subir. Subir means to climb and to go up. If you travel to European countries, you will see this word on the metro station, on airport, like almost everywhere, because the word to go up means to get on the metro or to get on a train. So subir is one of the most commonly used Spanish verb. Let's do a quick revision. Vivir. 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 Escribir. Escribir. Decidir. Decidir. Recibir. Recibir. Permitir. 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 Consumir. 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 Discutir. Discutir. Dividir. Dividir. Abrir. Abrir. Subrir. Subrir. Now let's do the quick revision of all the verbs, like all the AR, ER and IR verbs. Ayudar, hablar, ganar, comprar, cambiar, estudiar, esperar, descansar, buscar, and the last one is contestar. Contestar. Leer, creer, comer, beber, prometer, romper, vender, comprender, comprender, aprender, aprender, and the last one is temer. Vivir, escribir, decidir, recibir, permitir, permitir, consumir, consumir, discutir, discutir, dividir, dividir, abrir, abrir, subir, Bir, subir. So we have completed our today's session. I hope you guys have enjoyed today's class, and for more such content, click on the bell icon on your YouTube app to never miss on any update. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. See you in the next class. Adios.